Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to achieve the perfect meal? Do you dream of grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating all in one sleek machine? Well, dream no more, because the Ninja DG551 Foodi Grill has arrived to make your culinary dreams a reality. Let's dive into the heart of this review by talking about versatility. The Ninja DG551 Foodi Grill is a true kitchen wizard. It's not just a grill, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. With this all-in-one wonder, you can grill your favorite steak to perfection, air fry crispy chicken wings, roast tender vegetables, bake fluffy cakes, and even dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to culinary simplicity. One of the standout features of this grill is its smart cook system. Equipped with a built-in food thermometer, it ensures your dishes are cooked to precision every time. No more guessing games or overcooked meals. With the DG551, you're in control, and your culinary creations will be nothing short of perfection. Now, let's talk grilling. The Ninja DG551 Foodi Grill is a game-changer for grill enthusiasts. Whether you're craving a juicy burger, succulent shrimp, or perfectly seared veggies, this grill delivers mouth-watering results. With 6 cooking functions at your fingertips, you'll become the grill master you've always aspired to be. Are you health conscious? The Ninja DG551 has got you covered. Thanks to its air frying capabilities, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat. Indulge in guilt-free pleasures like crispy fries, onion rings, and more. Say goodbye to excess oil and hello to a healthier you. Let's talk convenience. This grill is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive control panel and digital display make selecting the perfect cooking function a breeze. Plus, the non-stick grill grate and crisper basket are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. Spend more time savoring your meals and less time scrubbing. In terms of design, the Ninja DG551 is a sleek addition to any kitchen. Its compact size means it won't hog your countertop space, yet it boasts a generous grill area to satisfy your cooking needs. The high-gloss finish adds a touch of elegance to your culinary workspace. In conclusion, the Ninja DG551 Foodi Grill is a culinary game-changer. Its versatility, precision, and ease of use make it a must-have for every kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this grill empowers you to create restaurant-quality dishes with confidence. So, if you're ready to unleash the culinary genius in you, the Ninja DG551 is your trusty sidekick. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to a world of culinary possibilities. Elevate your cooking game and impress your taste buds like never before. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Click the link below to explore the Ninja DG551 Foodi Grill and embark on your culinary journey. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures.